And not even the threat of a tropical storm, that's Ernesto, could stop Jamaicans from celebrating this afternoon. Kaneal Gayle has some of the happenings in the corporate area.
Dark clouds hovered over Kingston. People stocked up on some extra supplies as a tropical storm threatened. With most storms, there is usually lightning heralding rain. However, the lightning which struck the Olympic Stadium in London brought sunshine to Jamaica. Preparations for Tropical Storm Ernesto were now put on hold as Megamart shoppers reveled in the success of Usain Bolt and Johan Blake.
Boy, I love the race a while ago. My heart was beating so fast I almost had a heart attack. But I must say that Bolt, Asafa, and you want to do nothing. Big up to Asafa, although things never work out for you. But Bolt, through Jamaica was our 50th. You're doing good, I was proud.
Celebration in Jamaica is infectious, and not even gusty winds and the threat of torrential rain could prevent Jamaicans from gathering in Halfway Tree to celebrate the London exploits of the legend and the beast.
I feel great. It is nice in Harbour Tree. We are in Local in Harbour Tree. Usain Bolt, the big man to the world. Couldn't expect better than this. It is wonderful. That Jamaica 50 is gone a lead. Usain Bolt!
Usain Bolt to the world! What's short in America? Go ahead!
I done 2008. Mad. This year, madder. Jamaica 1, 2. They can't stop us.
Bolt has delivered his first gold medal, and many Jamaicans are expecting more, saying the celebration has just begun. For CVM Sports, I'm Kaneal Gayle.
Thanks, Kaneal.